HappyBrains TV?
Yeah, let's learn adjectives from A to Z. Describing words are fun, just wait and see. A is for artistic, and a painter so artistic, with colors so bright, drawing the stars in the soft moonlight. B is for black, Black Friday's here, the deals are so sweet, shopping and savings make it a treat. Is for confused, but they are confused little piggy, which way to go, left or right, it doesn't know. D is for dangerous, the dangerous dog wags its tail, so happy and proud, barking with joy, it's lively and loud. E is for entertaining, the lion was entertaining, jumping through the fire, a circus act that never seems to tire. F is for Esther, the festive season, with lights all around, joyful music and laughter outbound. G is for guilty, the guilty kitty, with cream on her face, she sneaked into the fridge, what a funny case. H is for hungry, a hungry kitty meows near her bowl, waiting for dinner to fill her soul. I is for ill, poor kitty is ill, lying in bed, drinking warm milk and resting her head. J is for joyful, a joyful kitty jumps to play, chasing a string all through the day. K is for kind-hearted, a kind-hearted kitty shared her bed, keeping her friend warm as they both laid their head. L is for lazy, a lazy cat naps in the sun, dreaming of fish and having fun. M is for muddy, a muddy pig rolled in the goo, splish and splash, what a thing to do. N is for naughty, a naughty kitty knocked down the vase, running away at a speedy pace.
Let's learn adjectives from A to Z. Describing words are fun, just wait and see. O is for observant, an observant cat sat by the tree, watching the birds as calm as can be.
P is for playful, a playful puppy chasing his tail, running in circles without fail.
Q is for queasy, feeling queasy from the ride so fast. The boat rocked hard, but it didn't last. R is for regal lion, with a golden mane, ruling the jungle so proud and plain. S is for strong, of a strong little rhino lifted a log, helping the forest clear up the bog. T is for talented, your talented deer danced in the rain, spinning and leaping across the plain. U is for upset, an upset kitty spilled her milk, with sad little eyes and fur like silk. V is for vicious, vicious, a vicious dog guarded the gate, keeping the yard safe, standing straight. W is for worried, a worried cat looked out at the storm, hiding away to stay safe and warm.
X is for xenodokial, a xenodokial cat and a bunny welcome their friends with hugs so sunny. Y is for yellow, where a yellow duck swims in the stream, quacking and splashing in a happy dream. Z is for zippy, fluff, a zippy cat, headphones on tight, grooving to music all through the night. Closing first seem awesome, now Describing the